Come on. You can do it. I believe in you.
Watch out for them.
Get out of the fuck. Really? Fuck you.
Just go, babe. Just go, because you're blocking.
Ugh, the stresses of driving while I'm in a freaking town that's got a lot of shit going on. I mean, look at all that. Look at that. Look at that. Fucking ridiculous. Luke Combs, everybody. Combs or Combs or Comb? Honeycomb? Luke Honeycomb?
No, just Combs.
Oh. Okay, so real quick. Good background music. So real quick, we went out and we bought fidget spinners. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jake, I thought you were a grown-ass man. I thought you didn't play with kids' toys. Well, that's not true. I fucking love Legos, okay? Nonetheless, this is not the case. I'm going to take 3 of these fidget spinners. And I am going to do 3 different videos. This will be video 1, and this is going to be fun. It's going to be really, really, really fun. You can find me on the run.
Yeah, the robots look like they're shooting.
No glass, no cup. Rip on the jam, full pedal in the truck, screaming, catch me if you can. I'm a rebel, so find me on the run. Half toe up, full bottle in the hand, no glass, no cup. Flip on the jam, full pedal in the truck, screaming, catch me if you can. I'm a rebel, so got a big turn up to the left and drop a little bit on the dance floor. Somebody better call the doctor. She's a little hard to stop her. I'm gonna bring a one-nighter. She's a flatliner. That's a good sound. Drive it like a dump truck. Okay, so here we are back home. Now, I am going to start a new series called Fidget Spinner Versus. And it's not really new. People have been doing it ever since they came out. But if you're a nerd and you don't know, like I didn't know, these are fidget spinners. And they spin. And you can kind of get them going pretty fast. I think Cletus McFarland did a nitrous hit on a fidget spinner, and Vehicle Virgins put one on his Lambo on one of his tires. And actually, hold on one second. Okay, so this video is actually thanks to Steele Foster. Steele Foster is another YouTuber. He's got some fishing videos with his kid. Actually, I think he has more than one kid. Kids with an S, plural. But he did a fidget spinner versus a bow. Like a bow and arrow, you know, redneck style. So if you pop the center out of these things, yeah, look, there I am. There's a bearing in there, but that's not what I'm after. I'm after that center hole. So we are going to take an old Easton Full Metal Jacket and stick it right through there, just like that. I like that. I wonder if it'll go this way. This arrow's kind of fuckered up, so I don't know. Got carbon fiber going everywhere. Ouch. Yeah, there we go. See? And it fits on there. And it does its little thing. Look, it even holds itself on there, which is nice. So, let me show you the setup. Alright, so this is Lieutenant Dan, and I stuck a hatchet in his head. So that way, I can do that. And it should be lined up with the target. So we'll see what happens. I'm not going to be that far away because I really want to hit the fidget spinner. So, yeah. Okay, so this should be a pretty cool shot. You can see the fidget spinner. Here's my bow. It's a PSE Stinger. I got mile-high strings on it, shooting a peep sight. Matthews monkey tails. I got a True Glow 5-pin Shooting Easton Full Metal Jackets with a 100 grain field tip and a mechanical, I think, true fire release. So nothing too special. I'm shooting off an old whisker biscuit, so we'll see what happens. Let me get it set up so that way I can actually hit one of the things on it. I hit it, but a couple of the bearings started to come out. No. I touched it though. And I knocked the plastic.
Yeah, I saw the bearing come off.
I knocked the black plastic thing off the off that one.
Is it still recording?
Yeah. Okay.
Take two.
Take two. One more time. If I hit it, that bearing's gonna come flying out of there.
Look at the thing on there.
Okay. Well, I know where all the things went. They went like over there. But I guess that's how you get the new skeletonized model fidget spinner.
For sale on their website. Does it still spin?
I bet it does if I put that bearing back in there. Oh, it's cracked.
Oh, you cracked it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yep.
And it lives.
Still spins, so we're gonna shoot it one more time. There's one of the things. One of the weights or something. I don't think they're bearings. I think they're like actual weights.
I think so too.
All right, no parodies. We're making the real deal here. Damn it. We're gonna stay here until we get this.
Ground forward.
Ah. My arrow is stuck in my backstop. This arrow is starting to get a little jacked up, guys. I don't know what the hell happened there. I'm gonna pause this. Okay, take 227. Alright. So something somewhere happened where my arrow got snapped, and I knew it got snapped. But it snapped to the point where it's too short to shoot out of my bow. So I'm gonna go get another arrow. Okay, so now to increase my chances, I have a 100 grain Swacker practice tip. And it's funny because it matches the fidget spinner. Here we go. Alright, take 10,071. That was right under it. I saw that one. Okay. Two things just happened right now. I realize I have the worst luck with archery, and I found the other half of my arrow. There it is. That'll make a cool pen. But I just broke my fucking... I just broke my swacker. My practice tip. Look at the damage on that thing. Jacked up. I'll still shoot this thing, and I'll still shoot swacker. Well, no, I'll probably switch this fuel point. But I will still shoot the real deal swackers. But I have like the worst luck right now. Okay, here we go. I touched it, but that doesn't count. That ain't what we're looking for. I don't care if I'm here all night. I'm gonna hit this thing, and it is gonna spin. I promise you I'm not this bad when it comes to shooting deer. Okay, well, I did hit it. Wasn't a direct impact though. I mean, we're looking for full out spin. Come on. And my LGV20 takes a spill. This is a fail. Okay, come on now. I got half a mind to go get my pistol. This is such a fail. All right. And the fidget spinner loses. Look at this thing. Carnage has been done. Let's get that bearing off of there. Yep. The death of a fidget spinner. R.I.P. You fucking motherfucker. At least when I do my next 2 fidget spinner videos, it won't take that long. At least I really hope not. I may or may not upload this because it took so long. I might have to do some editing on it. But that's the end of this video, guys. Fidget spinner versus bow. I got this idea from Steel. I mentioned his name. Man, he's got a little bit of an oddball name. It's hard to remember. But as I mentioned before, I got this idea from another YouTuber. He's a great guy. You need to go check him out. Go sub up to him. He does some good stuff. So he actually did a pretty cool trick shot with his bow and a fidget spinner. Get out of here, bugs. So go sub to him, sub to me, comment, like, share this fail of a video. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next fidget spinner adventure. Fuck fidget spinners.